What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Today I have this Realme GT 5G and Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. Yeah, I have been using this smartphone for more than a week now and I'm in love with this one. But at the same time, I cannot deny that Realme GT 5G offers the best value for money when it comes to raw performance and gaming. Anyway, this video is all about speed test, but I actually personally don't believe in speed test videos because in real life most of the time I found that those speed test scores doesn't convert. Anyway, watch through this video, let's see which one wins. And I really wish that Realme released this Realme GT 5G and Realme GT Master Explorer Edition in India, Europe, America, everywhere, because these two smartphones offers the best value for money when it comes to raw performance gaming and standard camera performance with standard gaming. Well, let's go through this video, and one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, support this channel. Okay, here is our smartphones. On the left, that's a Realme GT Master Explorer Edition, and on the right, that's Realme GT 5G. At the beginning, let me show you that there is nothing running at the background. I also need to show you that I have disabled mobile data and both of these two smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, the first application we are going to run is IDA64. This one will show us that we are using the correct smartphones. The code names are there and both of these two smartphones comes with the same 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Let's start this test with Call of Duty. Which one of these two can load Call of Duty faster than the other one? Well, it's Realme GT 5G. Realme GT 5G has already got its first point. Let's wait when Realme GT Master Explorer Edition gets its first point. Well, I have played Contra when I was a kid and I love to play this Contra Returns. Let's check which one can load this game faster. Once again, it's Realme GT 5G. Realme GT 5G already got 2 points. The third game in line is CSR 2. And okay, Realme GT 5G got its third point. Now the fourth game, it's Real Racing 3. Okay, finally Realme GT Master Explorer Edition got 1 point. Let's go ahead, let's see whether it can continue to get points or not. Yes, Realme GT Master Explorer Edition loaded YouTube faster than Realme GT 5G. What about YouTube Music? No, Realme GT 5G got another point. What about Google News? Okay, Realme GT Master Explorer Edition got its third point. Now let's try 3D Mark. Well, Realme GT 5G got another point. Now it's 5-3. What about Antutu Benchmark? It's very difficult, but fractionally Realme GT 5G is ahead. So there goes another point to Realme GT 5G. Now one thing I must mention, I must show you. Whenever I try to open Antutu Benchmark on these two smartphones or on any Realme smartphones, instantly it closes all other applications at the background. You can see it here. Let's run Call of Duty one more time. Yes, Realme GT 5G is ahead. It already got a point for that, so there is no more point. Let's try this Contra Returns. And one more time, Realme GT 5G is ahead. Now let's load the CSR Racing 2 one more time. Well, as usual, Realme GT 5G is well ahead. What about that Real Racing 3? Yeah, last time Realme GT Master Explorer Edition was ahead and the same thing happened here. Realme GT Master Explorer Edition loaded Real Racing 3 ahead of Realme GT 5G. Now let me show you that all the applications are running at the background. I will try to reload a few games to check RAM management. Wow, amazing. Realme GT 5G has kept this CSR Racing 2 at the background, but Realme GT Master Explorer Edition had to reload it. So one more point to Realme GT 5G. Let's try one more game, Real Racing 3. Okay, Realme GT 5G has kept it at the background and one more time Realme GT Master Explorer Edition had to reload it. So one more point goes to Realme GT 5G. Even if Realme GT 5G won over Realme GT Master Explorer Edition by 8 to 3, I would choose Realme GT Master Explorer Edition cause it offers a very good gaming performance with very good camera performance. On the other hand, if you need raw gaming performance, then of course you can go ahead with that Realme GT 5G. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you have any other speed test or camera comparison video request, don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to this channel.